How to activate a new Cash App card. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate a new Cash App card. So in order to activate a new Cash App card, all you have to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And also for this procedure, make sure that you've already placed an order for the Cash App card. Then to begin with, first thing first, log in into your Cash App account. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, go ahead and tap the home icon located right at the bottom. So here you'll be able to see the interface that's going to look something like this. If you've already received your card, then click the activate button. See, once again you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So go ahead and tap on enable cash card, show cash card and all that, and also click on activate cash card button. As soon as you do that, it's going to activate your cash card. Along with that, it's going to ask you to set a password or a pin. So go ahead and create a pin, and then you'll be asked to confirm it once again. After that, you've successfully activated a new Cash App card. So in that way, you can activate a new Cash App card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.